What's up, guys? It's me and Erica today. We're gonna go over to a clean office, right, Erica?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I guess she woke up on the wrong side of the bed. But we got a little adventure, right, Erica? Check out the beach, guys. Woo! Got a little adventure. After business, we're gonna go over to shh, Erica, don't say it. Don't say it, Erica, before we get cracks from the locals. Yeah, we have a hike planned today, so after business, we're gonna go hike to a beautiful spot, right, Erica?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go hiking to a beautiful spot. Check out the Wailua River, guys. Check out the weather in the mountains. Sleeping giant over there. Woo! Very beautiful today. Beautiful day today. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Get out.
Get out! I'm in the car. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here, doing a little adventure, showing you guys another waterfall here, guys. Right over there, another waterfall. Let's check it out. What's up, guys? So as you probably already know, it's not a big secret. It's Wailua Falls, man. We did a little hike down, which is I would say medium difficulty to get down here, and but if you can make it down here, it is worth it, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Woohoo! You got Danny boy over there, made it across. Woo! Got a whole bunch of people here, guys. Whole bunch of people. Check it out. Alright, guys, I don't know how clear the image is because the water spray from the waterfall is totally drenching this camera right here. But I'm just concerned about the health of this camera, more so the quality of the pictures that I'm getting. But you know what? It might be worth it, guys. It might be worth it. Whee! Wailua Falls. refreshing. Oh, so refreshing. Woo! Oh, the birds.